Hey everyone, this is Jason at Canyon Adventure Vans. Today I'm going to do a short little video on our new flooring system for the Storyteller Overland mode. This is a collaboration with Inhabit and Owl Vans. And they came up with this incredible flooring system that protects the OEM floor and really just ties everything in nicely. All these pieces just come right out, pop out, and you can wash them with your hose. You can take a pressure washer to them, or you could just leave them in and just vacuum them. And it looks like it's pretty easy to clean so far. We've had these for a day and I've already cleaned them a couple times. They look great. The detail, all the cutouts are perfect. It's just a really nice look in the Storyteller. I'm really happy with them. It really refines the look of the Storyteller as well. Just kind of ties all the flooring together from the front cab to the aisleway here and in the back in the garage, which we'll go around, check that out. The install was relatively pretty easy. So this is the garage area. And if you have things, if you have like our GSS or our CSS or the GLSS, all we did is just drill the hole where the bolt comes out of the L-track and then mount that right on there. So that was really easy. It's got the cutouts for the legs, so if you don't use a GSS to hold the bed, you can still put your legs down there. It's already pre-cut. Velcro, it comes with everything you need to screw in the snaps, to Velcro all the edges so they don't come up. But as you can see in here, the detail is pretty incredible. Let's go around. I'll show you the driver's side. Also too, before I go to the driver's side, you can see here, so they give you all the tools to take the OEM screw out and then put this male snap head on there. So everything just snaps in place. Same thing, they all snap to each other. So it's gonna be really easy to pop these out and clean them. Let's go look at the driver's side. Same thing. Got the little owl woven label on there along with the Inhabit. It's a great collaboration. I believe we're one of the only dealers besides Owl that carries this product line. And we stock them for the Storyteller, and we also stock them for the Rebel, which we'll make a video later this week in our Rebel. So there you have it. That is the new flooring system for the Storyteller Overland mode. Absolutely love it. I think it's gorgeous. It has a great look, and I think you'll be really happy with it. Again, it's super easy to clean, and it's going to protect your OEM flooring as well. Thanks for watching.